Hi, my name's Alan Cowgill, and the DFW REI Club has asked me to come to Texas and do a very special training on how you can attract private money into your life to fund your real estate deals. And I'd like to talk to you a little bit about that. You can see right there that we got a spot left for you, so you need to show up. Let me start off here with talking about being at the mercy of banks. And I speak all over the nation, and I take surveys from them sometimes. I find out that 85% of the folks in the room are going to banks, or the beginners think they're going to go to the bank before they meet me. I want to take a hard look at what you're doing with the bank if that's where your head's at. Number one is you can lose some of the best deals because somebody with all cash comes along and buys it out from underneath you. Maybe it's one of my students that got all cash. Number two, banks like money down left in the deal, so 20% down. Sometimes you got to take money to closing on that. You know, it makes it rough for some people. You don't have to do that with private lenders. In fact, I take all my money right up front, rehab and all. And points and loan fees for the bank, granted, they aren't high, but they're still eroding your profit base. The cheapest way to fund your deal is with all cash. And a private lender is all cash. They won't finance some unusual deals. I'll show you my deals that they wouldn't have touched that I made tens of thousands of dollars on. They like monthly payments. Half my deals are without monthly payments. By the time I'm done with you, if you so desire, 100% of your deals can be without monthly payments. I want you to imagine that for a little bit. And they take time. I wanted to buy a duplex way back when I was dealing with a bank, and the bank appraised it. Credit's okay. It took them 4.5 crazy months to make up their mind. Today I can get an offer accepted on a Monday. I can own the property on a Friday, and I'm sure you'd rather live in that. You move fast, you make money. And you got no relationship with the bank, but you think you do. You are lulled into a sense of security because you got somebody's name in their business card. I'm here to tell you, you got air. You got nothing because they can quit, retire, get laid off, get promoted, and you got to go find somebody else and start all over again. Oh, they changed the rules like they did on me. You are disqualified from borrowing when you have too many properties. Before I had private money, I had that happen to me 3 times. Nothing changed in my life. They changed their internal rules. Your credit doesn't satisfy the bank, or your income doesn't satisfy the bank, they aren't going to loan you money. But the biggest economy of all, so many of us, myself included, we get into real estate to get out of our JOB. But what I found is the day you quit your job is the day the bank will quit you. That's an ugly day. I didn't think they'd go away, but they did. I'd been doing business with it for years. No paycheck, they're done. But I just had to do something else. And I came into the world of private money, and it changed the rest of my life, and I have a passion about it. That's why I'd like to talk to you about it on April the 11th. The meeting starts at 9 in the morning. It goes to 3. They're buying lunch for you, and I'll teach right through lunch. Just go out there to DFW REI Club right now. Get signed up. Don't miss out on this. It will be an incredible, incredible training day. I'm told minute for minute I deliver as much or more information than anybody out there. DFWREIClub.com. You can make them all caps. You can use it the way I got it there. They both work. I checked it out. Get out there and get signed up. Well, to your wealth, and I'll see you at the meeting.